House One's Harry earned the nickname Dirty Harry due to his very personal interpretation of the rules.
Always go to the edge, right? But try not to fall off the edge.
In terms of rules.
Keith's discovered another broken rule in House One. The very serious matter of a disconnected electrical distribution box.
He's shut me down until that board has been sorted.
But this time, it was something Harry didn't know about.
I wasn't aware that any trades power tools need to run off this power distribution box. If I know what the rules are, I'll always abide by what the rules are, if I know them, OK? Now, if it's an oversight by my electrician, I'll get it sorted. And all I can do is apologise for it, that it wasn't done.
That's all we have to do.
Out of all the contestants, I'm the only one who's not in construction. When you are project managing a block build, you're relying on your trades understanding what their responsibilities are, and the expectation is, guys, you know what you're doing, you know what's compliant, follow the rules.
So Harry's tradies down tools while his electrician reconnects the distribution box.
So, during that phase of, tools down, Keith had a good look at all our exposed wiring and noticed that rather than putting something substantial to protect people walking past, we had cardboard there.
Got cardboard here. Oh, but we've got a...
Oh, OK. Yeah, OK.
Got live power.
Yeah, all right, OK. I'll get it sorted. No, it shouldn't be live power. Which was, it's unsafe. Cardboards you can easily tear off and expose the wires. It should have been something more substantial, something like gyprock.
Unfortunately, this is not the only problem Keith finds.
More.
Yeah, we'll get done as well.
Oh, Harry, come on, mate. Come on.
Yeah, all right, yeah, I saw it.
Mate,
I'll get done. I'll walk through it. I'll make sure it's all got plaster on it to protect it. That's not right.
The problem is, though, someone's going to get killed.
I know.
That's the issue, mate. You've got... Look at that, just a power point just sitting there. Same with there, just another one just sitting there, back of the cables.
We'll get it done.
It's not good enough, mate.
I'm sorry, mate. Look, 100% agree with Keith. It's electricity, it's dangerous.
Oh, core flute. Oh.
Keith's patience has been sorely tested today in House One, and enough is enough.
Harry! Off. Power is off. Harry, and we've used core flue to cover all these cables up, mate. It's just not good enough. I know you didn't do it.
OK,
but at the end of the day, we just got to build safely.
Yeah,
it's not happening. So I think what you can do is pack your boys up and they can come back tomorrow. Out you go now. Out. Out. Just get out.
We should never be in that situation.